Hello, this is Kamran. Welcome to this comprehensive course designed for QA automation engineers, university students, and individuals who want to start a career in programming. In the previous video, we talked about comparison operators. In this session, we will discuss logical operators and practice it. Logical operators. We have various types of logical operators in Python, like logical AND, logical OR logical NOT. Logical AND returns true if both operands are true. Logical OR returns true if at least one of the operand is true, and logical NOT returns true if the operand is false, and vice versa. Let's practice it. I print the heading. Now I took two variables, P is equals to true and Q is equals to false. Now check logical and if I apply logical AND on P and Q, so what it would do, it would check that P and Q both should be true, but in this case one is true, so it will return false. Now check logical OR. Now in this case, any of the variable if true, so it will return true. So I apply P or Q. So in this case, it will return true. For the logical NOT, it's the negate value of the variable. Like if P is true, so it will negate the value to false. And if Q is false, so it will negate the value to true. So if I check for P, not P, so it will return false. And if I check for Q, it will return true. Now, let's check by running the code. Now, you can see that logical AND showing false, logical OR is showing true, that is correct. Logical NOT is showing false, and logical NOT is showing true. So these are the logical operators in the Python. See you next video. In our next video, we will talk about concatenation in Python.